Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix failed to send messages on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. You're gonna find the home section, search, reels, and lastly your profile section. Right now, I'm gonna go to the direct messages. And then, for example, if you try to send a message and you can't basically send it, this has a lot of reasons. One of the reasons is maybe you have a weak internet connection. So, first of all, make sure you connect to a good internet connection. So, if you are connected to a good internet connection and you still have this problem, then maybe you should update your application. If you want to do that, just go ahead and close Instagram. Then go to Play Store or App Store, depending on which phone you have. And then go to the search section. Go to the search bar and search for Instagram. Once you find Instagram, go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're going to find two options, uninstall, and right next to it, you're going to find update or open. So basically, guys, if you find the update option available, this means that you don't have the latest version of Instagram and you need to update it to be up to date. Go ahead and click on update and then just wait for the update to finish. And once the update is finished, you're going to find the option to open Instagram. Click on open and then this will take you to Instagram. And after that, it should be working fine. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.